So apparently you can get some tasty treats, right?
Ant wafers?
Oh.
Cricket, salt and vinegar, crickets, bacon and cheese, sour cream and onion. You want to try
They
one?
even flavored it. I'm not trying it. Oh. I see a test challenge coming.
Oh, I already eat a bug.
No, look, Mexican spice.
Oh yeah, that sounds great.
Worms.
Barbecue worm, cheddar cheese worms. I'd probably eat an ant wafer if I was gonna eat anything else.
No. What about that one? Barbecue flavor worms.
Why's it gotta be barbecue?
You know what? We're gonna get one, and you're gonna test it on the next food challenge, right?
Okay.
Yes or sure? Okay, you know what? I'll let you have your choice.
Well, they got chocolate dipped insects. Might make it a little more palatable.
Yeah, I think like the ones in the boxes would be more enjoyable. What?
Are you gonna do it with me?
No,
No, whatever.
not at all.
So which one should I get?
I think that barbecue one. Well, you asked me. What you asked?
Larvets.
Everybody that agrees, say do it, do it.
Maybe Eva will actually do it.
Which one again? All right.
Can I get some ant wafers?
Yeah. Oh my, that's interesting. Yeah, go ahead. That is too funny.
I mean,
Well, you guys stay tuned to see this, because it ain't gonna be me and Jemima.
I wonder if they'll let us take it on the plane.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Receive your tasty treats.
snack time. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, here, honey. You see? I let you get stuff.
Spoiled.
I let you get stuff.
I see a little ant in there.
Ah.
How does this thing have 109 calories?
I thought bugs were like, you know, healthy to eat.
It's only a 10 Oh, probably because it's...
The chocolate.
Yeah.
What do you say? So they made it tasty for you.
Yeah, so next time I'm out in the yard working and I find worms,
Mm-hmm.
I know I can get some barbecue seasoning.
There you go. That's the way of thinking.